Hello, this is Mahua Moitra, Member of Parliament from the All India Trinamool Congress. Here's something for all of us to think about. The opposition has been displaying to the rest of India about how the Narendra Modi government and the current BJP government have done mass disenfranchisement of voters and mass rigging of elections and basically a grand vote chori. This was done during the Lok Sabha elections, also been done in the Maharashtra elections, Karnataka elections, Haryana elections, Delhi elections. And here's why it all makes sense today. Any government that is accountable to people, that is winning on the basis of the popular vote, will at some level be bothered about how people are affected by government policies. No government, I'm a public representative, the Trinamool is in power in the state, no government will be completely impervious to what ill effects government policies can have, because this will reflect in the vote. Now, the US has imposed a 50% tariff on India. Let's see what the effect is. If you look at Andhra Pradesh is an ally of the BJP in the NDA government. Today, the Andhra Pradesh shrimp industry accounts for 60% of India's shrimp exports. Total Indian shrimp exports are 2.3 billion. 60% of that is Andhra alone, 1.4 billion. Already there was a 2.5% anti-dumping duty and a 5.8% countervailing duty. On top of that, there's a 50% tariff. So there's a 59% effective tax on shrimp exports from Andhra. Now, if the current government in Andhra Pradesh is accountable to people and the BJP is accountable to people, how do you explain this to your ally in Andhra Pradesh, and how do they in turn explain it to the people of Andhra Pradesh and the shrimp exporters? The BJP government is in power in Gujarat. If you are Indian accountable to the people of Gujarat and you have won it on the popular vote, today the diamond cutting polishing industry, which is in Surat, in Navsari, in Bhavnagar, in Jasdan, in all of these places is staring at a complete blackness. How are you going to do this? When you look at Uttar Pradesh, the BJP has a government in Uttar Pradesh, the leather industry, Moradabad, brass, all of these industries are going to get hit. A total of 20 lakh jobs, maybe more, are in peril. 55% of India's export sector is going to be hit by these tariffs. Where is the reaction from the government? The government is so sure of vote chori and so sure of winning every election on vote chori, it doesn't care how people are being affected by these tariffs, and that's why the government isn't doing anything. That's the plain and simple explanation for it. Thank you.